According to the National Electrical Code and local electrical codes, outlets in residential occupancies must be grounded to provide a path for fault currents to flow safely back to the electrical panel. In older homes with two-wire electrical systems, also known as knob and tube wiring, a lack of a ground conductor in the outlets poses a safety hazard. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are devices that interrupt the electrical circuit when they detect an imbalance between the current flowing in and out of the outlet. This imbalance can indicate a fault to ground, which can be dangerous if there is no proper grounding path. Installing GFCI outlets in two-wire systems is an acceptable alternative to provide protection from ground faults. The GFCI will trip and break the circuit if it detects a fault, preventing electrical shock. However, GFCI outlets do have some limitations. Firstly, they do not provide a true grounding path. Secondly, they only protect the outlet they are installed in. Thirdly, they can be more expensive to install compared to rewiring the house. Installing GFCI outlets in existing two-wire outlets is a viable alternative to protect against ground faults in the absence of a grounding conductor. While not a true grounding solution, it is an acceptable safety measure. However, it's important to note that the outlets will not be fully grounded and may not provide complete protection in all scenarios. If safety is a primary concern and the homeowner is willing to spend more, consider rewiring the house to provide full grounding. If budget is a constraint, installing GFCI outlets is an acceptable alternative for protection against ground faults. Ensure that the electrical contractor you choose is licensed and familiar with local electrical codes and best practices.